Hi there everybody, it's Lynnea for Simon Hurley Create. Today I have a quick card to share with you. This card packs a lot of punch, a lot of color, but it is still very simple and there's actually no coloring of small images. The whole wow factor of the card is in the background, in the stencil. So I'm using the new Flower Power Stencil from Simon Hurley Create, and I'm just going to tape this onto a piece of stark white cardstock. I love to work with stark white cardstock when I'm doing any kind of coloring, whether it be with markers or pencils or with ink. The stark white cardstock is just that. It is super white, and I feel like it makes the colors show true to color and very vibrant. So I'm going to start by going in with some Simon Hurley Create Overzealous dye ink. And I'm using small fingertip blending brushes. These are actually brushes, not daubers. So you're still going to get the same look and feel of brushes, but it's going to give me control because my idea is to go into this Flower Power stencil and just add little bits of color here and there. So I want to have, I think I did 3 different colors of flowers. And then I want the leaves to be green. So using these small brushes is going to let me get that overzealous ink right into where the leaves should be. Now, I could take a whole lot of care and mask this off, but I'm not even going to worry about if some of the ink kind of blends or fades into each other. I did a pretty good job of keeping it separate, but if it did happen to overlap and make a little bit of a brown, I'm not going to be concerned. So my first color flower is Slippery When Wet. I love to have yellow flowers in my scene, especially for spring and summer. I just think that they're super pretty and they make life happy. So I use that Slippery When Wet, and then I'm coming in with just a little bit of Guppy at the center to darken up the center and just give a little bit more dimension. My second color is going to be Rosy Cheeks. This is a pretty pink color, and I'm just kind of alternating my colors back and forth. I don't want to have 2 pink flowers directly next to each other, 2 yellow flowers directly next to each other, so I'm spacing them out as best as I can. Once I'm done with the Rosy Cheeks, I'll come in with a little bit of Prom Queen right at the center, and then I'm going to finish off by using some blue flowers. So for that I did Clear Skies for the main flower portion, and then just a little bit of Remember Me at the center. I'm going to peel back that stencil, peel off my masking tape, and look at this gorgeous background. My camera here doesn't do it justice, so check out the photos on my blog for sure, because this is such a bright and vibrant background. Now, I'm not going to do any coloring or anything. The only thing I'm going to put on top of this gorgeous background is a sentiment. The Sentimental Flower stamp set from Simon Hurley Create has some of my favorite sentiments. I have been reaching for this stamp set frequently for the sentiments and the flowers too. I love the flowers, but specifically for the sentiments. I love this mix of handwritten print and script. It's super fun. Just to embellish a little bit, I added some clear like bubble type embellishments here and there across my card, but this card is all finished. All that focus is on that gorgeous background. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you again really soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.